Hey, what's up you guys? My name is Angela and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I have for you guys an exciting dorm room tour. I changed the theme of my dorm this year, so it's very different from last year, and I am so excited to show you how I styled it this year. So without further ado, let's just go ahead and get right on into the video. So when you first walk in, there is an emergency exit, the remember key card sign, there's a couple peepholes right here, the light switch, and then this is a storage room, my bedroom, my roommate's room. We have one room over there, and then just a little more over there is another room. But here is the living room. We just have our couches. We do not have any string lights or tapestries up yet. We're gonna be putting a TV there and making it a little bit more homey, but school is crazy. So yeah, let's just keep on moving. So this is a pretty big storage room. We don't really keep anything in it. There's just a step stool and a cardboard box. Nothing special, but it's nice to have extra room. As I make my way to the kitchen, we're gonna pass by my room that I'll take you through a little bit later. But here is our kitchen. So we have this awesome little cubby storage space where we keep all of our toilet paper, trash bags, disinfecting wipes, and then we have our recycling bin and trash can right here. Here is another pan of the living room from a different angle. So in our kitchen, we have tons of storage space up top. We have a microwave, a full-size refrigerator, and some down storage over here. We brought this drying rack and I brought the toaster, so those do not come with the room. When you turn away from the kitchen, there's a little outlet box over here, and then we have like our vanity space over here. Hello. So we just have, those are my roommate's towels and everything, and their sink. We have a whole bunch of storage. It actually comes with these 4 bins, so you can organize and put whatever you would like in it. This one's my bin. I just keep like my hair dryer, my flat iron, curler, some shampoos, face washes, toothbrush, toothpaste. We have a trash can there. Then I have a little thing of soap over here. As you turn a little bit over to the side, we have our restroom. So there's a toilet, some racks over here. There's a rack here for some towels. And then we have a full-size shower. That's what that looks like. You do have to bring your own rug. But yeah, and then our shower head is actually adjustable, which I love because my roommates and I are totally different heights. It comes with the shower curtain, but the bathroom is like one of my favorite parts. Like it's just so nice and roomy, and I love it. A thing that is super cool about the Nebraska suites and like most rooms is you get your own individual heat settings and AC settings, so you and your roommates can kind of decide on a specific temperature for your room. So this is my room. I am in room D, and I never keep my door locked just because I am prone to forgetting my room key. So there's that. And here we are. When you first walk in, I just have my coats, some hats. I keep my belt and key fob up there that I use for work. I'm currently washing my laundry, so there's that. I have some bags that I use when I go grocery shopping, some more fashion belts, and there's a couple like purses behind there. As you pan down, I have this cute little basket from Target that contains like my winter hats, gloves, mittens, all that fun stuff. I just have all my shoes over here, my work shoes, a case of water, and I'm gonna go ahead and shut my door and turn you around. So when you turn around, there is a full-length mirror that you can look at yourself when you are getting ready to leave. I love this. I love that it came attached to the door. There is a little thing right here that says remember your key card and remember to turn off your lights. As you pan down, I just have one of these little cute baskets from Target again, and I keep a spare blanket in there in case I'm gonna go watch movies in the living room or a friend comes over and they are cold, so there's that. So when you come into my room, and if you turn to your left, there is this little wall. I made all 3 of these signs, and then these vines up here I just bought from Amazon, and this is where I keep like my keys and my wallet and my perfume and lotion and a few breakfast items that I would grab as I go out the door, some scrunchies, earbuds, and then right down here is where I keep, like, in this drawer there's jeans and pants and skirts, and then pajamas and my work clothes and extra towels. What I love about the furniture at Nebraska is it has these little pull-out things, so I actually eat dinner over here, and then my desk that I'll show you in a little bit is where I do my homework. It just gives a student some extra space to really think and just organize their mind. But the storage space on these is pretty insane. Like, they're really deep, really wide, and they can hold a lot of stuff. Moving right on from that wall, this is what my bed looks like. So this little bin right under here is where I keep all of my snacks. So in the middle of the night, if I'm hungry, I just pull that out, get a snack. It's easy, it's accessible, it's right there. And then, yeah, this is just my bedding. My bedding's from Target. This blanket is from Target. It's so incredibly soft. And this is just where I keep my, like, undergarments, socks, things like that. So over here in this corner is one of my favorite parts of the room. This is my vanity space. So I just kind of have my trash can. This entire thing is makeup. I kid you not, it is all makeup. I keep a little Febreze fabric refreshener right there. As I move in closer, you can kind of see my entire vanity space. If you want a more in-depth video of like what all makeup I own and my like makeup collection, just let me know down in the comments below. I would love to film that. I have a cute little succulent that I just bought recently because I am officially a plant mom. I have my letterboard back there, this cute gold mirror from TJ Maxx along with my lamp. And then I keep a spare laptop right here along with my Apple Watch charger and my Apple Watch. And then here is this storage space. I just keep like a whole bunch of knickknacks, calculators, batteries, stuff like that. And then, like I said, there's all this like extra desk pull-out space that you can use. It extends a lot further than that, but there's that. Under here, I just keep a whole bunch of random stuff. So this is kind of where I just shove everything when I'm not using it, and I'll get to it at a later point, but I have like my textbooks, my printer, paper, boxes that I haven't opened yet, stuff like that. So here is my makeup organizer. It is from Michaels, and this is just kind of what I keep in it. Yeah, it's a bit extensive. I can go more in depth in a future video. If you move right under here, I keep like cotton buds, a first aid kit, a heating pad. I think there's some cough drops down there and some emergency and a sewing kit. So yeah, that's just a random little helpful area for me. All of the rooms come with this awesome little like memory foam spinny chair. And I gotta say, it is so much fun. Moving right along across the room, this is how I've decorated my wall. The vines, like I said, are from Amazon, and then these macrames are also from Amazon. I have no idea if I pronounced that right, but they're just some cute little pieces. And then I have my little wallflower and fan over here because I sleep with a fan on every night. Moving right along, this is my closet. They do give us some insane storage space. I absolutely love it. So I just have like my packing bags over there, some extra school supplies that are up there and like baggies, my dresses, hangers that I haven't used yet. There's some whitening strips, all of my like soaps and laundry soaps are over there, Hydro Flask, makeup remover wipes, and medicine. And then these are all of my t-shirts and like tops and sweaters and stuff like that. So that was my entire dorm tour. If there's anything you want to know about living in the suites here at Nebraska, please feel free to ask me any questions down below. This is my second year living in the suites. I absolutely love it. It's so nice to just be conveniently right at campus and be in such a safe environment and space. So yeah, as always, please don't forget to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and turn on that notification bell if you want to be notified of the next time that I upload a video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you soon.